Hey guys, what's up? It's JR Cuber. In this video we have an unboxing from Lightake.com. So in here are a few new cubes that have come out recently. I actually don't remember all that's in here exactly. I just know that there's just a lot of stuff in here. But anyway, let's just open this up. I know that, let's see, I'm trying to think of what's in here. Anyway, well, we're about to find out. Man, a lot of packaging. Okay, so first off there's this. Let's see what this is. Oh, yeah, I remember what this one is. This one looked really awesome. This cube is a transparent cube with black caps. And I thought this looked really cool. This is a mini Fangshi. Feels really nice, actually. But yeah, I really like how this looks. It looks very nice. Corner cutting's not that great. It's pretty tight. Anyway, let's keep going. Oh yeah, this is the transparent Waylong. I asked Lightake if I could get a primary plastic Fangshi V2 and a transparent Waylong, and they sent me a primary plastic Waylong. And so I told them about it, and they sent me this transparent cube. I've never had a transparent 3x3 before, so I really wanted to get one. So that's what I did. Yeah, this looks really nice. I think, yeah, this looks cool. I might re-sticker this. Not sure about that. But it's just a Waylong V1. Corner cut's about 45, you know. That's pretty cool. Let's keep going. Okay, so, they also sent me two Oolong V1s, I guess. This does not look like an Oolong V1, though. That's kind of worries me. This is an Oolong V2. At least I think they are. Yep, that's an Oolong V2. Well, I guess I've got two more Oolong V2s. Maybe I'll use them as backups or do something with them. I don't know. I'll have to tell them about that. Well, that's two Oolong V2s. You know, I've already done unboxings on those and everything like that. Yeah, here's another concave cube. My old concave cube broke, and so I wanted to get a new one. It still sort of works, but not really. So yeah, this is just a concave cube. I've already done an unboxing on this and everything. And then, the main event, what I am really excited for, this is the Dino Skewb, which looked like a very fascinating puzzle. So we're going to open this up. Oh wow, that looks cool. Okay, so here's the puzzle. Basically, it's a 4-axis puzzle that turns like a Skewb and a Dino cube. It's very greasy on the outside. It's actually a lot bigger than I thought it would be. Like, I thought the cubies would be smaller. But anyway, let's just do first turns. So that side turns like a Dino cube. But then on the other axis, this side turns like a Skewb. So that's why it's called the Dino Skewb. Because one side turns like a Dino cube, the other side turns like a Skewb. And I'm imagining that's the way it is on every axis. Yeah, Skewb, Dino cube. So, yeah. That's interesting. So it's going to be interesting to see how this thing solves. Well, let's scramble this thing up and see what it looks like all mixed up. Well, anyway, that's all messed up. I don't know how to solve this. I guess I'll just have to mess around with it. But anyway, that's about it for this unboxing. Again, I'll have to talk to them about these two Oolong V2s, because I did not ask for Oolong V2s. I wanted to get some V1s before they went out of stock. But anyway, here are all the cubes that I got. So that's really about it for this unboxing. If you liked this video, give it a like, and if you haven't already done so, subscribe. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.